This chapter is very confusing. Some verses are wisdom, most forgets free will. Chapter could be used by the arrogant to confuse followers. NPR 2:27. He is with you always, in the midst of the concourse, and in the silence of your bedchamber. His breath gives life to countless forms, and his will holds all things to their appointed shape. NPR 2:28. Obey his commands, take heed of the ordinances he has made, for they conform to your needs. All things are bent to the benefit of man, and all that encompasses your life accord with his direction, that the soul within you may enjoy continued gracious growth from stage to stage of its unfolding, so that when the cumbersome sheath of mortal flesh is cast off, it may receive a just and fitting compensation under the great law, in accordance with its thoughts and deeds on earth. Again, we're back at wisdom. It's almost like a tennis ball flying from rigid demand for obedience with a small spice of wisdom to hide exactly what you're consuming. His commands are not humanity's command, and they are spoken to you, within you. God gives you what you need, but not what the body needs. This points out that the soul is God's goal, not life, and yet much of this chapter has covered a demand we ignore God's gift, that we should fear it. I'm not sure how this writer was able to make all of this make sense to him, but he appears to have done it. If it speaks to him, it is fine for him alone. It certainly is not a path I would follow. If I'm allowed my path, I will allow him his.